In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gmail calendar to efficiently plan meetings directly from your inbox. This tutorial will revolutionize the way you organize your schedules and save you a great deal of time. So let's dive into the steps to achieve this. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your inbox. Your inbox is where all your email conversations live, and it's the starting point for today's journey. Now it's time to start composing a new email. Look for the Compose button, usually located in the upper left corner of your screen. This action opens a new window where you can type your message. At this point, you're all set to start the process of scheduling a meeting directly from here. Below the text area of your new email window, there's a button with 3 dots, also known as the More Options button. Click on this to reveal additional actions you can perform with your message. Among these options, you'll find something very useful for planning meetings. Hover your cursor over the Set up a time to meet option. This action hints at Google Calendar's integration with Gmail, allowing you to propose meeting times without leaving your draft email. After you hover, click on Offer times that you're free. This tells Gmail you're looking to insert available time slots directly into your email. It's a convenient way to offer several options to the recipient without back and forth messages. Now you're presented with a selection of hours. These are the slots during which you're available for a meeting. You can either select from these predefined hours or opt to customize the hour according to your specific availability. This flexibility ensures that the time proposed works best with your schedule. Next, add a date for your meeting. This is crucial for aligning both parties' schedules on a specific day. Click on Add a Date to unfold a calendar view where you can easily select the day that fits your proposed timings. After choosing a suitable date, press Next. This action takes you to the final phase, where you can further refine your meeting details. Although optional, adding a concise description of the meeting's agenda adds clarity and context. This step is highly recommended to ensure the recipient understands the meeting's purpose. Finally, once you're pleased with the time, date, and description of your meeting, click on Add to Email. This action inserts your proposed slots into the body of your email, making it ready to send to the recipient. At this stage, you can finalize your message, review everything to ensure accuracy, and hit send. By following these steps, you've effectively utilized Gmail's calendar integration feature to streamline the process of scheduling meetings. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance communication and organization. A tip to remember is to periodically update your Google Calendar availability to reflect your actual free times accurately. This will prevent double bookings and ensure that you're offering genuine slots to your correspondents. In conclusion, Gmail's calendar feature is an invaluable tool for efficiently planning meetings directly within emails. It eliminates the tedious task of toggling between your inbox and calendar to find suitable meeting times. With this guide, you're now equipped to make the most of your scheduling tasks, saving time and boosting productivity. Thank you for watching. Whether for personal planning or coordinating with colleagues, these steps will ensure you're maximizing the potential of Gmail for smoother, more efficient communication and scheduling. Stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips on making the most out of your digital tools.